Just yesterday, we were talking about Kespanyo West wife being a wife material in African standards. She posted this video and captioned it, "My forever love." Okay. Marriage is beautiful this side. Love is beautiful this side. Even though they just had their first child together, but it seems like the fire love that they have has not even died down. That the spark is still there, And you guys know, like, oh, Pulani, like, did her profile private, so I basically get her content from her fan page, because by the time they got married and I wanted to follow her, she already made her account private. So don't be surprised up there when you see that it is Pulane Polo fan page. But we are their fans and we are going to talk about them here, man. It's so good to see, her being in love with a man, being a family woman, and him being a family man, and being able to, to sorry about that, to balance the two. I mean, it's so amazing and it's so great to see that, even though after all these controversies and all of that, that they're still together. Like, she is still happy. Yeah, when you find Jesus, things will happen. Wait, when you find Jesus, things will happen. Kudos to them, guys. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video.